In this video, I will show you how to use two Telegram apps on your Android device. Sometimes, you may want to have two separate accounts for personal and work purposes. This can help you stay organized and keep your conversations separate. First, swipe down from the top of your screen. This will open your notification panel. Look for the gear icon, located at the top right corner. Tap on it to enter your device's settings. Once you're in the settings page, scroll down until you find an option labeled Advanced Features. Tap on Advanced Features to proceed. After entering Advanced Features, scroll down towards the bottom of the list. Here, you'll find an option called Dual Messenger. Tap on it, and you'll see all compatible apps that support this feature listed out for you. Among these applications is Telegram. To enable two Telegram apps, simply toggle on the switch next to its name. After toggling on Telegram, tap Install. If you prefer keeping contacts distinct between both versions, perhaps separating work contacts from personal ones, you can toggle this switch on as well. Your device will begin installing a second version of Telegram alongside your original app. This process typically takes just a few moments. With everything set up, exit out of Settings and locate your new Telegram icon. It should appear alongside your existing one. Open it up and log in with your secondary account details or create a new account if needed. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.